Alright, I wanted to show you really quickly how you might deal with making the HTTPS happen rather than hoping it'll happen. So even if you set up a certificate, if you've installed WordPress, there's a little trick to this. So I'll do it through cPanel for right now with one of these that isn't particularly active at the moment. But these are the installed sites for this account. I'll choose this one, go to View Edit Details, and what I can do under Advanced is set this location URL to HTTPS and then save all, and I think that'll kick it through for us, and I'll show you how we can kind of make sure that's happening. Okay. Alright, now I'll just go through the link that gets me to the back end, and let's go to settings in general and see if it changed across. If not, we'll see where to change it. And things are a little slow, but you see these two pieces have changed. So now it should automatically happen for everything, and when this stuff starts to matter is stuff like your H5P embeds. If they're not HTTPS, they wouldn't show up in Canvas, and it's not real evident why. So this then kicks everything through and makes sure it stays with the HTTPS stuff.